Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 10, ICSE, CBSE and West Bengal Board also. Equation of a straight line, part 11. That means you have already got 10 lessons. You must go to that lesson, especially video 1. There are formulas. Formulas you have to learn and you have to remember. Now please pay your attention on the board. Sums given from M.L. Agarwal's book exercise 12.2 sum number 8. Some you will get in your book and here also it is written clearly. Now pay your attention on the solution. Diagram is not compulsory. You may draw or may not. Here, three consecutive sides of a rectangle are given this. Consecutive, that is 1 by 1. AB, BC and CA. The equations are denoting 1, 2 and 3. We have to find out the values of A and B. And from the diagram it is clear that since this is rectangle, the sides are perpendicular each other. This is why from this line we have to find out the slope. So we have to convert the given equation in intercept form. That is y equal to mx plus c. So y equal to minus 3x plus 4. This is from right side, left side to right side, so sign will be changed. Therefore, in place of m, here is minus 3, so slope of the line 1 is minus 3. And slope of this line, same thing, we have to convert into intercept form. Then y equal to x by a plus 7 by a. In place of m, 1 by a. Therefore, the slope of the line 2 is 1 by a. But these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, product of the slopes equal to minus 1. This is the condition for perpendicularity. This you have to remember. Now by putting the values of m1 and m2, we are getting this. Then by simplifying, we are getting the value of a3. The value we are getting 3. Again, we have to find out value b. Again, this equation, from this equation, we have to find out the slope. This is why by converting intercept form, we are getting this. Then in place of m, that is b by 2. So the slope of the line 3 is minus b by 2. Here, this line and this line also perpendicular to each other. Therefore, m1 into m2, in place of m1, that is 1 by 2, in place of m2, that is minus b by 2. By simplifying, we are getting the value of b, that is 6. Here by simplifying b, a value of a we have already got here. This is why here we are putting the value of a3. That you have to notice attentively. Then by simplifying, we are getting the value of b6. The sum is completed. If you follow the step attentively, then easily you will understand. Next sum number 9, find the equation. Sum you will get in your book, and here also it is written clearly. Pay your attention on the solution. Here, when you are reading the sum, from there you have to clear what is given and what is required. Here the line y-intercept, that is y-intercept 3 equal to 4 is given, and the line, this equation of the line is given, which is parallel to required equation. So parallel, the condition of parallel, that is m1 equal to m2. This is why from this equation we have to find out the slope, and what slope will be this equation. Exactly same slope will be the required equation. This is why we have to first find out the slope of this equation. So we have to convert into intercept form. By intercept form, we are getting this y equal to 2 by 3 x minus 7 by 3. So slope is 2 by 3. Therefore, the slope of the line m is 2 by 3. And this required line, that is required line, is parallel to this line. Therefore, its slope also, that is 2 by 3. That means slopes are equal when the lines are parallel. And therefore, the required equation of the line is intercept form of the equation, that is y equal to mx plus c. In place of m, we are putting 2 by 3. In place of c, we are putting 4. That is intercept 4 and slope is 2 by 3. Then by simplifying, we are getting the required equation 2x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Next, find the coordinates of the point where it cuts the x-axis. This equation cuts the x-axis at which point that coordinates is required. Since the line cuts the x-axis, when a line cuts the x-axis, this is the x-axis, that means the points of intersection lie on x-axis, that means y coordinate will be 0. Since the line cuts the x-axis, therefore y coordinates equal to 0. Now the value of y we will put here and then we will get the value of x. After putting the value y and simplifying, we are getting x equal to minus 6. Therefore the coordinates of the point is minus 6, 0. This is the answer. I think it is clear. If you follow the step attentively, Sharnodeep and Shaunak, certainly you are following. You must give your friends also. Okay, thank you everybody.